Mason was such a loving, caring, clever little child who brought so much love and happiness into our lives. Mason wasn't just my son, he was my everything. I think the people who knew Mason will always hold Mason in their hearts, as he was such a lovable child. He would give you his last little sweet. I couldn't wait to watch Mason grow up, hitting his milestones, but unfortunately I'll never see my son alive again. The lies John Paul O'Connell and Tegan McGhee told everyone, only for the Gardaí, they would have got away with it. I trusted them to mind Mason, and for that I'll never forgive myself. Our family is forever broken.